Hey everyone, this is me, Aisha Arningwali, and I hope you all are having a great day. So today I'll come with another topic of the TED Talk and give review on the TED Talk. And so today my topic is the power of vulnerability by Brené Brown. So this is an amazing topic, and I would like to review on this topic. Hope so you like my review. Brené Brown is a well-known research professor, storyteller, author, and speaker who has spent many years studying human emotions, especially vulnerability, courage, shame, empathy, and connection. She is famous for tuning complex psychological research into simple and relatable stories that connect deeply with the people and around the world. In her TED Talk, The Power of Vulnerability, Brené Brown shares her personal experiences, research findings, and emotional struggles to explain why vulnerability is not a weakness but one of the greatest sources of strength and human connection. Her speaking style is natural, humorous, emotional, and deeply honest, which makes the audience feel connected to her message from the very beginning. The TED Talk mainly focuses on how vulnerability shapes our relationship, emotions, and personal growth. At the start of the talk, Brené Brown explains that she began her research by studying human connection because she believed that connection is the reason people feel meaning in life. During her studies, she discovered So yes, during her studies, during her studies she discovered that the honesty and the uh, During her studies, she discovered that people who feel a strong sense of love and belonging have one important thing in common. They believe they are worthy of love and connection. According to her, these people are not perfect, but they accept themselves as they are. This idea becomes one of the central message of the talk. So, Brené Brown also discusses how shame and fear stop people from being vulnerable. She explains that many people are afraid of rejection, criticism, failure, or emotional pain, so they try to hide their true feelings instead of being open and honest. They protect themselves emotionally. She called this numbing vulnerability. People often use different ways to avoid uncomfortable emotions, such as pretending to be perfect, seeking constant approval, overworking, or distracting themselves from emotional pain. However, she argues that when we numb painful emotions, we also numb happiness, gratitude, and joy. This part of the talk is very powerful because it shows how avoiding vulnerability can actually stop people from living fully. One of the most memorable moments in the TED Talk is when Brené Brown honestly shares her own emotional background. As a teacher, she preferred facts, logic, and control, but vulnerability challenged everything she believed about herself. She admits her research led her into a personal struggle because she realized she also feared vulnerability. And this honesty makes her speech more impactful because the audience can see that even experts struggle with the same emotion as ordinary people. Her willingness to share imperfections becomes a practical example of the very message she is teaching. Another important idea discussed in the talk is the difference between people who embrace vulnerability and those who resist it. Brené Brown explains the wholehearted people, the people who live with a sense of worthiness, practice courage, compassion, and connection. They have the courage to be imperfect and the compassion to be kind to themselves and others. They are willing to say, I love you first, try something even if failure is possible, and express their feelings honestly. According to her, vulnerability is the birthplace of creativity, innovation, love, and change. And without vulnerability, people cannot truly connect with others or grow emotionally. Throughout the TED Talk, Brené Brown uses humor and storytelling very effectively. She talks about parenting, relationships, and daily life situations that make the audience laugh while also reflecting deeply on their own experiences. This balance between humor and emotional depth keeps the audience engaged and make difficult topics easier to understand. This is one reason why this TED Talk became one of the most popular TED Talk in the world. And the talk also highlights how modern society often promote perfectionism. Brené Brown explains her people constantly feel pressure to look successful, confident, and perfect in front of others, especially in social settings and public life. Because of this pressure, many people become disconnected from their true selves. She believes that accepting imperfection is necessary for emotional well being. Rather than trying to become perfect, people should learn to embrace their weakness, mistakes, and emotions because these are the part of being human. Another strong point of the TED Talk is its emotional honesty. Brené Brown does not simply present research findings, she shares her own fears, struggle, and moments of confusion. This creates trust between the speaker and the audience. Her vulnerability itself becomes proof that openness can inspire others. The audience feels encouraged to reflect on their own lives, relationship, and emotional barriers. Many viewers find the talk life changing because it challenges the idea that vulnerability is something to hide. In terms of communication skills, Brené Brown is an excellent speaker. Her voice tone, facial expression, storytelling style, and emotional delivery makes the talk highly engaging. She explains psychological concepts in simple language, which allows people from different backgrounds to understand her ideas easily. She also uses personal stories to make her research more relatable and memorable. And her ability to connect research with the real human emotions is one of the greatest strengths of this TED Talk. In my opinion, the power of vulnerability is one of the most inspiring and meaningful TED Talk because it teaches people to accept themselves honestly and emotionally. I believe that Brené Brown successfully explains that vulnerability is not weakness but courage. Her message encourages people to stop hiding behind perfection and to build genuine relationships through honesty and emotional openness. I personally found the talk very motivational because it made me realize that everyone experiences fear, insecurity, and emotional struggles. But true strength comes from accepting these feelings rather than avoiding them. The TED Talk also teaches an important lesson about self worth and human connection, which is highly relevant in today's world where many people struggle with anxiety, pressure, and fear of judgment. Overall, the power of vulnerability is a deeply emotional, education, and inspiring TED Talk that encourages people to live more authentically. Brené Brown combination of research, storytelling, humor, and personal honesty makes the talk unforgettable. It is only a discussion about emotions, but also a painful reminder that embracing vulnerability can lead to stronger relationship, personal growth, courage, creativity, and a more meaningful life. Thank you so much. I hope so. You liked my review. Till then, stay connected. I'd come with another topic. Till then, stay connected. Take care.